Now we are discussing about economic terms. In that TFC, that is total fixed cost, is the total amount of money a business must pay to keep their operations running regardless of how many products they make or sell. Total fixed cost doesn't change regardless of production or lack of production. Fixed costs are those that still exist even when production is at zero. How do you calculate total fixed cost? Take your total cost of production and subtract your variable costs multiplied by the number of units you produced. This will give you your total fixed cost. And the next point is, what is the total fixed cost TFC? TFC is that cost which doesn't change with the change in the level of output. Depreciation, rent, salaries, insurance, etc. Total variable cost is that cost which changes as the level of output changes. What are some examples of fixed costs? Examples of fixed costs are rent and lease costs, salaries, utility bills, insurance and loan repayments, some kinds of taxes like business licenses, and also fixed costs. How is the TFC, TVC and TEC calculated? It can be obtained by subtracting total fixed cost from total cost. TVC is equal to TC minus TFC. Total TC is therefore the total amount of money spent on all the factors fixed and variable of production is called total cost. It can be obtained by summing up total fixed cost and the total variable cost. TC is equal to TFC plus TVC, the relationship among TC and TFC then. And the next point is, what is TC, TVC and TFC? TC is equal to TFC and TVC. The total fixed cost is constant regardless of how many units of output are being produced. Fixed cost reflects fixed inputs. Total variable cost reflects diminishing marginal productivity as more variable input is used. Output and variable cost will increase. What is TFC formula? The formula to calculate total cost is the following: is equal to TC is equal to TFC plus TVC. And what is the difference between fixed cost and variable cost? Fixed cost is referred to as the cost that doesn't register a change with an increase or decrease in the quantity of goods produced by a firm. Variable cost is referred to as the type of cost that will show variations as per the changes in the levels of production. And next point is rent a variable or fixed cost? Examples of fixed expenses include rent of mortgage payments, car payments, other loan payments. This is the information regarding TFC, that is total fixed cost. Wishing you all the best.